What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Crypto.com card. My card finally came in. You guys know I've been very bullish on Crow. I've been talking a lot about Crypto.com, so we are going to get straight into an unboxing. I do also want to say, guys, I just recently changed my whole setup, a lot of crazy tech stuff. So if the audio is a bit off on this at times, please do allow it. Anyways, let's get right into the unboxing. So it came in this cool package. Honestly, guys, I've received a bunch of different cards before, and it never came in a package like this. So there's just like a little thing that I have to peel over here, which I'm going to do right now. And like I said, this is going to be a live unboxing. So you guys are going to be experiencing this with me as well. So boom. And also, I forgot to say, guys, I'm finally back on camera. For like the past month, I didn't do camera videos, partially because I had COVID and I was recovering, and I don't know, I was just being lazy, to be honest. Now, okay, let's see what actually this looks like. And let me make sure I don't show anything important. So, okay, so first off, there is, okay, so let me make sure I don't show this. Okay, there's a card, and it pretty much just is from the CEO, and he's just talking about, hey, I'm pleasure to present you, da 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 da. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna put this aside. And now this over here, okay, is the actual card. So this is a very cool packaging, but we don't need it anymore. And then we have this over here, which looks super cool. Let me make sure I don't show you guys something. Oh my god, this is so sick. Okay, I can show you guys this. So look, ready? It comes out like this. And then I can slip it out, and then boom, it says your MCO Visa card is here. It has my name on it, so I can show you this. Let me actually just take it out. And okay, wait, let me make sure there is nothing. Okay, perfect. So okay, I can't show the back, which is fine, and that is pretty much in the packaging. So the packaging, it just slides out like this. It's super cool, and this is pretty much the card, guys. Look at that. It looks so slick. Oh, it almost looks purple. Let me put it in like the lighting. Guys, look at that. It's actually a blue card. It's not metal, but if you guys can hear that, it's definitely not the same type of plastic that usual cards have. This actually looks so slick. Like, I'm going to show you guys like a full close-up. Like, boom. There you guys go. I don't think you guys can get... Yeah, okay, it looks kind of purple on camera, but this is purple, this is blue, okay? It's actually so cool. All right, now that that's over with, let's talk about what exactly this card is, why I got it, and to do that, we're going to be over to the screen, and this is what I've been working on, guys. So look, now I can just do this, and now we are on my screen. So Crypto.com has these cards, right? And these cards, they pretty much, they have no annual fees. They're a crypto card, and you can actually top them up. They're like a debit card. I made a video already talking about what exactly these cards are. And in that video, you can actually see that I went over the whole point of the card, what the card does. By the way, you guys like that transition? That was kind of slick. I know that was kind of slick. Anyways, I'm so excited for this new setup. Pretty much, guys, these cards, I made a whole video on what exactly they do. And the reason I like them is because they give you cash back in crypto. And excuse me. Now you see most cards do have cashback, whether that's 1%, some have like 3% cashback on certain things, which is cool, but the cashback is in fiat and it's in dollars. What I find is with this card over here, like I said, I go through the specifics of certain cards in like my last video, but they give you up to 8% cashback. And I'm going to quickly go over it in this video as well. So again, back to my screen. That's so cool how I can just do that now. So you guys can see here, there's different type of cards, right? We'll put it into Canadian dollars because I'm Canadian. Obviously, I'm from Toronto, from the 6. So Midnight Blue is the one I got, and I get 1% cashback in Crow coin. And this is like a debit card, so I do have to top it up, which again is fine, because the way I look at it is if I'm getting 1% cashback on all my purchases, then it's worth me having to just e-transfer Crypto.com some money just so I can do it. Now, the Ruby Steel card, it's kind of dumb because when I applied for this card, I didn't take in that I would have to like cancel this card and then get the Ruby Steel one. So I already have enough money to qualify for the Ruby Steel card, and I'm going to be getting that, I don't know, as soon as possible. I'm going to activate this card first, use it for a bit, and then upgrade to the Ruby Steel card. The Ruby Steel card is actually a metal card, so I'm really, really hyped up for that. That's going to be amazing. Now, you guys can see this has 2% cashback. And then when I get this card, and my goal is by the end of the year to have these, I'm probably going to get the Royal Indigo card, and that will actually give me 3% cashback in crypto, which is just nuts. There's also some benefits here, but to be honest, I don't use Spotify or Netflix, so I don't really care about that. But in my opinion, guys, I think this card is going to be very interesting to use. Like I said, I already made a whole video, and this video was mainly just to get like my reaction unboxing it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much like this card. It just looks so cool. I'm not gonna lie, like it looks so sleek. The design is just so nice. Probably like you guys probably see the thumbnail. It's gonna be like Like that's what my thumbnail's gonna be. But guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video. If you guys are enjoying the Crow videos and the Crypto.com videos, make sure you drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know down below. Do you guys have these Crow cards? This Crypto.com card, it actually came in within, I want to say, it shipped in like around 2 weeks, and it was stuck on issued status for another 2 weeks. It did come in fairly fast compared to a lot of people were saying, oh, it's been taking months. I'm guessing now they're a lot faster with it, which is obviously a great thing. But guys, like I said, it is like it's here. Like I have the card. I'm gonna be very hyped to use it. If you guys want to get more updates, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as join my free Discord down below, and I'll be telling you guys how I feel using the card and all that type of stuff. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, go and check the Crypto.com website because you guys can get the card. And if you guys do want to sign up for Crypto.com, I have a link down below. We both get $25, and you guys can get these cards. You guys can invest into the Crow token. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and until next time, remember, stay seeking success.